So today in this video we shall factorize x square plus 3x plus 2. So first of all we factorize the last number 2. So on factorizing we get 2 times 1 means 2. So the numbers we have are 2 and 1, and in the middle we have 3 plus 3, so plus 2 and plus 1. So it becomes x square plus 2x plus x plus 2. So 2x plus x means it is 3x. So now we find the common factors in these two first factors and these two first polynomials. So in both the factor common is 2. So remaining is x plus here remaining is 2. In the same way there is nothing common and no any numbers common means common is 1. So remaining is x plus 2. So now we find out commons in these both factors. So common is x plus 2. So it is x plus 2. And remaining in first one is x. In second one remaining is plus 1. So its factors are x plus 2 and x plus 1. So this much for today and thanks for watching.